Hey traders, welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, diving into crypto-linked small caps that swing big. I'm Mitchell, and today, Lion Group Holding Ltd, ticker LGHL on Nasdaq. The Singapore-based all-in-one trading platform operator is roaring back. As of December 9, 2025, shares at $7.25 midday, surging 67% from Friday's $4.33 close, blasting past the 52-week low of $3.81 after November's 1 for 13 reverse split. Year-to-date gains now at 93%, with a tiny $2.22 million market cap screaming volatility. The fuse? LGHL amended its securities deal December 4th for a $9.98 million subsequent close, earmarking $8 million for Bitcoin buys, capitalizing on the market cooldown for Treasury accumulation. This follows September's Sol SUI swap to hyperliquid tokens and July's $7 million hype haul, amplifying their crypto pivot. Risk alert. Ongoing losses and microcap swings could erase gains fast. Next catalyst? Bitcoin's trajectory. Bullish on LGHL's crypto bet? Comment below, like for the ride, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Bell on, tomorrow's heat. Trade sharp. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.